There's two little cute chickens stuck in the kennel. Coo 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 coo. Coo coo coo. I'm heading to the next spot. So yeah, you guys see that platform? I found it might be a good camping spot, and that platform too, and two of the down from the highest platform, because here got a restroom, and on the back is a village, and it has long enough from the modernization, so I guess it will be quiet there. And this cover is called Haizikou. I was told I can do diving and snorkeling here, but currently I didn't see anyone's doing here. And also I was told they got a lot of sea turtle in this spot. Who knows? No people down there, but I am going down there. I don't know. The water looks pretty dirty though, because it's so unclear. I hardly see the bottom. I mean, I can see a little bit of bottom, but not really. Anyway, I'm going down here. First of all, let me look around. Maybe the southern tip of Xiao has nice area for camping. But you look at this huge flat platform. It's bad because, I mean, it's good for camping, but it's also bad because that means scooters, they can come all the way here, and I'll be fucking noisy. I mean, freaking noisy. Sorry, excuse me. Well, I'm coming. A little looks dirty, but there's still some fishes down here. But I can smell. It's pretty smelly. Like a really salty smell. I like their fishes. Holy shit! Guess what I see? It's a freaking huge sea turtle underneath me. You see that's a fucking giant size. Like a fucking monster. I'm no joking, but the water is so unclear. I'm not sure you can see it. That's real nice. Saw a huge monster sea turtle, a monster size of sea turtle down there. At first I was like a little bit freaked out because it was so huge, so close to me because the water was so clear. I would dive down just a teeny bit, and then suddenly it comes this huge monster size of sea turtle. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and you can come here to visit this monster turtle anytime. I think he would just stay here forever because there are like so much seaweed, algae, or we call seaweed algae down there. Lay down, relax, and eat all day till really full. I don't think he will leave though. He'll be still here. And I'm gonna wrap up for today. I'm gonna back, and I'm gonna to move my tent to the beach side.